Welcome back. In this specific session, we are going to discuss about the delete operations that we can do. So for the delete operations, rather than disturbing our actual uh, data that we have, so basically what I would do is I will use the subscribers table that we have and try to do some delete operations on that. Okay, initially just select star from subscribers and see like what is the data that we have inside the subscribers table. So if you see subscribers tables, there are multiple records that you have. What I will do, I will insert some more data into the subscribers table. So I'm using the insert ignore operation, and using this I will be uh, inserting the lot of data so that we can perform the different delete operations on this particular table and see like what will land, right? So there are duplicate entries, but that is ignored, but at the end you have the data being inserted into the database with the different email IDs, so that is really good, right? So now when we are performing the delete operations, so the delete operations, the first thing that you have to use the delete. Okay, and you have to also mention from where you need to delete, and I would say like subscribers, right? Delete subscribers. I would say, let me copy, delete from subscribers where the id equals to 1. Let's take this query and see like how it is going to work, right? What I'm trying to do is id1, right? So id1 is this one, test at gmail email.com, so that is the record that has to be deleted. So the query has been run successfully, and let's go and check the subscribers and see like whether you have any record with id1, right? I don't see any record with id1, but for safe side, if you want to see more as well, so same thing, you look for where id equals to 1, right? So if you see id equals to 1, technically there is no record that is available with id1, right? So if you want to have multiple records to be deleted, you can still go ahead and delete the multiple records, which is 3 and 4. id is in 3 and 4. You can still do that, and when you delete 3 and 4, the records have been deleted. And if you want to see in, sorry, 2 comma 3, I'm trying to see the records that we have in 2 comma 3. I don't see any of those records available in this particular table, right? And one important thing that you have, if you want to record, if you want to delete the records, you can also delete in a way like order by. So technically this statement, delete from subscribers, I'm ordering by all the records in that subscribers in descending order, and I'm limiting the record deletion to 1. What will happen in this case basically, so probably if you see, let's do in this way, right? I'm running this query. Oops, I just deleted. Okay, okay, so let me go select, right? Select subscribers. Okay, order by id. I'm just trying to see what are the records that are coming up in this specific use case. So select star from subscribers. Okay, all the records have been deleted. Okay, so if you see, even if you don't remove order by, all the records have been deleted because we executed the query in a differently. So for that, let me insert some of the records. Okay, and now you try to set something, get something, you have the data inserted, and it's a row, sorry, the id is starting from 20 to 27. So if you see, this is the order by is id. Okay, and if you see order by asc, also ascending order, order by id asc, right? Let's see like how it is coming. This is ascending order. Okay, you want descending order, you will get the records in descending order 27 to 20. So in this case what I'm trying to do is deleting from subscribers order by ID, okay, and descending, which is 27 to 20, and I'm limiting the records to 1, which means what will happen, record 27 gets deleted in this specific query. So now if you see I have done this limit 1. So if you go and check, record 27 will not be available for you. So and whenever you see, you can also see record count 3. So top 3 record counts will be deleted. So in this case when I execute this query, 26, 25, 24 will be deleted from the table, and if you go and select the records, you'll still see 24 till 24 has been deleted. Similar to the update, you should be more careful while deleting the records as well. If in any scenario where you haven't passed any kind of where class, so there are chances of deleting all the records from the table. So you should be more careful when you are executing your delete query. So if you go and check the select one, everything has been deleted. So just if you don't use the where class, which record to be deleted, there are it will, this statement will delete all the records in that particular table. So that is the one very big catch item for everyone to make sure when you are writing the delete queries. With that said, we will stop here for the delete queries and continue with some other session in the next video. Thank you.